that just try questions from here and see whether these sequence are in AP or not. Okay, you must have done till, okay, 6, 7. Have you tried all the questions from here? I mean, this where irrational terms are involved. Are you getting these type of question? I'm this one, okay, this one, 12, 13. Okay, because 9 it's simple, 10 is also simple. Okay, doing the finding the difference, that is 2a minus a, 3a minus 2 is not a big deal. Next one, a square minus a, okay, a cube minus a square. Okay, we won't be able to do the subtraction. Okay, a square minus a, I'm talking about number 11. Everyone, have you tried these questions?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so quick. I want to take this 12 and 13, just this two. Remaining all are really simple. A square minus a, that is, okay, subtraction you won't be able to do. So you can keep it as it is, and it is not in AP. Let me take number 12 first. So you are having root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Okay, I'll do A2 minus A1. I will do A3 minus A2. I'll do A4 minus A3. And let's see what are we going to get. We'll be getting root 8 minus root 2. We'll be getting root 18 minus root 8. Now, once you started learning the concept of a square root, there only you also have learned that if you are having root 8, you can write it as a 2 into 2 into 2 inside the root. And hence, it can also be written as a 2 root 2, right? Okay, so 8, just I'm checking that if we will write it as a 2 root 2 minus root 2, that means our answer is just root 2 over here, right?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Root 18, if I will tell you that let's do the factorization of 18 and let's write, okay, 2 into 3 into 3. So this is not, okay, something new you are hearing for the first time. You have done this thing in a square root chapter in class 8. You have done this thing. Even if the number is not a perfect square number, you were doing the prime factorization, and whatever, okay, whatever be the number which is in pair, you were just taking it out. So here also we are doing the same thing. Root 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. You will be getting a pair of 3. Due to that reason, 3 will come out and 2 will get stuck inside the root. Root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. Getting it?
Ma'am, can you explain how root 18 is turned into 3 into root 2?
This is in pair and it will come out. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And what
Yes,
about
ma'am.
root 8? So I have written that can be written as 2 root 2. Why? Because 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. And you are just taking out a pair. Okay, you can see a pair and you are taking out this 2 from here and you are getting this one. Okay, this way we are able to solve. That's why we are doing it. Okay, it's not like I want to take out 2 from here. No, 2 is in pair, hence I have to take out 2 from the pair, from the root. Making sense? Intentionally we are not doing anything. We are just doing the simplification, and whatever we are getting, we are just writing it. After writing it, we realize that here simplification, little bit more simplification is possible. Making sense?
Yes, miss.
Okay, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, that is again just root 2. A4 minus A3, your A4 is under root 32. Your A3 is root 18. For till now you know root 18 means 3 root 2. But you don't know what is root 32. So you will do the prime factorization to check it. What is root 32? Whenever we will have such question, do we have to do these things? Yes. You have to do this much simplification just to check that is the difference is common or not. Okay, if we will stop over here only, just we will see that root 8 minus root 2 is there and we will say that no, difference is not same, then okay, that is not correct answer. So we have to do the simplification. 32 means 2 to the power 5, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, you will be getting a pair, you will be getting another pair, and it will be just 2 into 2 outside and root 2. So can it 4 root 2 over here minus 3 root 2, that is again root 2. Can you see all the difference? Okay, all the differences are same, hence AP. Can we say that? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number
Yes.
12. Okay, I'm talking about number 12. We found the difference patiently and we found that all the answers are same, hence it is an AP. Okay, the sequence is in arithmetic progression. Now we also have to say what is the common difference. So clearly we can see the common difference, small letter d, that is root 2. And then we also have to say what will be the next three terms. The next three terms, 1, 2, 3. So think about it. Okay. The This is root 2. Okay. This is root 2. This is 3 root 2. This is 4 root 2. So I will be able to say the next one will be 5 root 2. Next one will be 6 root 2. And next one will be 7 root 2. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But
Yes.
to write the answer, okay, if we will write 5 root 2, that is correct. Okay, but maybe if this question will be there in MCQ question, then your answer will not match. So you have to write again in the same manner. That means 5 root 2 means what? It means inside the root you must be having 5 into 5 into 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. That means root 50. Are you getting it, everyone? Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 5 root 2 means what? 5 root 2 means 5 must be there inside the root, but in pair. We have written and root 50. So if you are writing answer like this, 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2, it is perfect, it is correct. But if you are not able to match the answer, please check it this way. Okay, your answer, then only you will be able to match the answer if this question is there in MCQ question. 6 root 2, you will be having inside the root, you must be having 6 into 6, then 2. Okay, and then you can do the multiplication. 6 6 10 36, 36 into 2 is I think 72. Okay, so the next number is root 50, next number is root 72. Again, completely this chapter, okay, here this part which we are doing just now is based on, okay, identifying the pattern, dealing with the pattern, writing the next three number. Okay, so it's more about numbers. There is no proper rule or logic. Okay, we are just dealing with the number, identifying the pattern and all. Getting it? Let's check number 13. Again, square root is involved. Okay, we will try this one also in the same manner. A2 minus a1. Okay, a2 minus a1 is what? Okay, so a2 is root 6 and a1 is root 3. Even if I will factorize root 6, this 6, no, you will be getting 2 into 3 and nothing will come out. Okay, what about the other one? Root 6 minus root 9. Root 9 can be written as just 3, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we are not getting the differences same. Can you see that? This is not in AP.
I mean, it should be the other way around, right? Root 9 minus root 6.
So yeah, okay, why I have written root 6 minus root 9? It will be root 9 minus root 6. We can write other way. No, we have to write other way. Okay, it is A3 minus A2. Okay, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Okay, always we take the next term minus previous term. Okay, by mistake also we are not allowed to do the subtraction. Okay, the way we are saying the number in a sequence manner. No, that is not the rule. Okay, finding the common difference, checking the differences are same or not, always we have to do the subtraction in this manner: A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, like this only. Okay, but still we are getting 3 over here, we are getting root 6 over here. Even if I will try doing little bit of calculation, let me show it to you how. So root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Okay, minus root 3. If I'll take root 3 common, I'll be left with root 2 minus 1, like this. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one also, if we can check this way, that are we getting the same thing if after taking common factor and okay doing the simplification. So 3 I am keeping as it is. Root 6 means root 2 into root 3. Now you can see that 3 means 3 is just the combination of root 3. Okay, you will take out root 3 common, but you are not getting the same term. Okay, whatever you have found over here, you are not getting the same term. What I am talking about, if it is not making sense, let me show you on another screen properly. We were having root 3, we were having root 6, we were having root 9, we were having root 12, right? So we did root 6 minus root 3. Here we realize that doing the factorization, okay, of this 6, 2 into 3, nothing is coming out. Still, we thought that let's take common factor and let's check, are we getting same, exactly same, okay, the common factor and the remaining term in all the other, I mean A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Sometime you have to do this way. That's why I am showing you here. It is not working, but sometime you have to do this way to check it. Okay, it may work. So what you can do, see, in quadratic equation chapter, I was explaining you that how to take out common factor when you are having irrational terms. So root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Okay, and root 3 I am writing as it is. Now from here we can take out root 3 common and we will be left with root 2 minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If I will take root 9 minus root 6, suppose root 9 I am keeping as it is for now. Okay, root 9 I am writing, it is nothing but can I write it as a root 3 into root 3? Because 9 means this only. I have just splitted the roots, right? Right.
Ma'am.
Okay, so we can write it this way. And root 6 means same, root 2 into root 3. Again, we can see root 3 is common factor. And what is remaining? Remaining is root 3 minus root 2. So this one and this one is not same. Even after doing, okay, giving this much of effort, this one, these two are not same. So no need to go ahead and check the other one. We will say that this is not in AP. Everyone, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We could
ma'am.
have stopped over here only to declare that this is not in AP, but we will, okay, we will make sure that after taking common factor, who knows the common factor and the bracket will, okay, will become same. So we will check this way. Okay. So yeah, till now we have solved, okay, we have discussed all the questions I have not shown you, but the remaining questions are really simple. If you have done, great. If you have not done, you need to do it. Okay, it is simple. You will be able to do it by yourself. Okay, let's take the next part and let's see what are the other types of questions. Number 3, for the following AP. Okay, it's not asking that whether check whether it is in AP or not. It says for the following AP. So these are in AP. Write the first term, common difference. We have to write the first term of each and every AP. Okay, that means the small letter A, that is the first term, that is 3 for the first AP. Okay, and we also have to write the common difference. So if you have to write the common difference and already in the question it is written that it's in AP, you don't have to check, it's in AP. Then we will find the common difference. Small letter d is equals to second term minus first term. Okay, that is minus 2 is the common difference. First term, common difference. We are done. Why we are not checking like the previous one? Because previous one we were not sure whether it is in AP or not. So we had to check whether all the differences are same or not. But here we don't have to check because it is in AP. Okay, written in the instruction. So we are just finding the first term and the common difference as asked. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly the next one, similarly the next one, similarly the other one. Okay, decimal is there, fraction is there, just to check that are you comfortable with decimal number subtraction, are you comfortable with fraction subtraction. So yeah, only you have to do subtraction, you have to write the first term, that's it. Okay, number 3 is really simple. We are done with 4, we are done with 3. Now we'll be doing number 2. Write. Always we will read the instruction carefully. If any time you are, okay, you will encounter any new type of question in your question paper, read the instruction carefully. If it is not making sense, then read it again. Here it's written that write first 4 term of the AP. When the first term A and the common difference D is given, we have to write the first 4 term. That means A1, A2, A3, A4. First 4 term we have to write when what is given, the first term is given and the common difference is given. Now here I want to show you a structure. Just a moment. Let's see. So suppose I am taking one AP. Okay, suppose I am taking one of the example which is in AP and I am taking 1, okay, comma 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. You can see this is the, okay, I'm just writing the odd numbers. It's fine. It is in AP, right? Right. It is in AP. Now we have to, I want to show you a pattern over here that we call the first term as a. Okay, and the common difference we say that is a small letter d. So here A is 1 and D is 3 minus 1, that is 2, right? Can I say the second term? This second term is nothing but just the first term plus this d, common difference. Yes or no? Your A is 1, your D is 2. Check it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next term, can we call it the previous term? Previous one. Previous one. I'm going to write previous one over here. Plus D. Okay. Can we say the next term is previous one plus D? What was previous one? Okay, in this format it was A plus D, but see, I don't want to see this one. I just want to say the previous one plus D. But our previous one is A plus D already, so I have to write the same thing, okay, in notation form. So this term became A plus 2D. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not
Yes.
making it A plus 2D. Again, I'm telling you what I did. I have taken, I'm just covering this one and I am covering this one. Okay, listen to me carefully. First term is A. We can see that. Next term 3. So we realize that 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 is the first term, 2 is the common difference. That means A plus D, that, okay, that has been done over here. A plus D. If we are doing, actually we are doing A plus D, we are getting 3. So we are convinced that, yeah, we can write it A plus D. Now the next term. Next term, I realize that again I will take the previous term, that is 3, and again I will add the common difference D. Then yeah, I'll be getting 5. Okay, the previous one plus the common difference. The previous one 3 plus the common difference 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Yeah, it is giving 5. Okay, we are convinced till here. But if I have to write in this format, A plus D, okay, A plus D, this format, then I'm thinking that previously we have written, okay, the name of this 3 is, the name of this 3 is A plus D. Okay, the name of this 3, this term is A plus D. So that plus D we are doing, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And hence it became A plus 2D. Okay, now the name of 5 is A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Now again I will move to the next term, and I am, okay, we are feeling that the next term 7 is nothing but 5 plus common difference. 5 plus common difference. This 7 is nothing, just the previous term plus common difference. Okay, previous term plus common difference. Okay, our previous term is 5 and the common difference is 2, and yeah, it is giving 7. And every time it will happen when you are having an AP, it will happen always. Okay, so the next term is previous term plus common difference. Now we are thinking that, let's see what was the name of that previous term. So it was A plus 2D. Okay, so I have to write here A plus 2D plus the common difference D, and hence it became A plus 3D. And okay, if you are getting from here, okay, the logic, then let me tell you, when a sequence is in AP, or if you have to consider a sequence in AP, or if I will give you that you have a AP where the first term is 1 and the common difference is 2. Now write the first four term, then you will say that structure will be like this. The first term is A, next will be A plus D, next will be A plus 2D, next will be A plus 3D, next will be A plus 4D, next will be A plus 5D. Like one extra D will keep on adding with the next terms. Okay, and if you know just A and D, you will be able to create the AP by yourself. You will be able to say that the first term is 1, next is A plus D, that means 1 plus 2, that means 3, next is A plus 2D, that means 1 plus 2 times 2, that means 5. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, Samya, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Bharti, is it clear? Are you getting Bharti? Are you there? Afrin, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the, we just say a formula or rule. Okay, if you have to assume there is an AP, you will say the structure will be first term is A, next term is A plus D, next term is A plus 2D, next term is A plus 3D, next term is A plus 4D, next term is A plus 5D. Now, since I have explained till here, I want to explain one more concept over here. So see, your first term is A. Your second term is A plus D. Your third term is A plus 2D. Your fourth term is A plus 3D. I want you to notice when this is 2, this is 1. When this is 3, this is 2. When this is 4, this is 3. Okay, your fifth term is 4D. Can you see? Fifth term 4D. Fifth term 4D. Okay, sixth term 5D. Are you able to notice? Okay, the placement is sixth and the okay formula look like this. So can I say if it will keep on going and keep on going and keep on going like this, then the nth term will be a plus 1 less d. 1 less d, that means n minus 1d. Can I say that? Can I say that?
Can you repeat again?
See carefully, first term has 0d, second term has 1d, third term has 2D, fourth term has 3D, fifth term has 4D, sixth term has 5D, one less D it is having according to the placement. 11th term will have A plus 10D, 12th term will have A plus 11D. Are you getting it?
Ma'am.
Then nth term will have A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain where the minus one came from?
Minus 1.
A plus n minus one into D.
I'm saying the first place. At the first place, I'm asking how many D you are having. Okay, A plus what? Okay, A plus which number multiplied with D? Okay, let me write it this way, then it will make sense. With, okay, the term sitting at the first place, the first rank, okay, you can call for now that. Okay, I am asking that how many D you are having. So it will say I don't have any D. Okay, it is just A, or you can call it A plus 0D. Okay, 0D means 0 into D is just 0 and it is just A. Okay, the person who is sitting at the second place, I am asking how many D you are having. So that person will say that I have A plus D, A plus D. Okay, just 1D. Okay, second place 1D, second place 1D, third place A plus 2D, third place 2D. Again I'm repeating, third place 2D. So is it clicking that according to the placement one less D it is having all the terms?
Yes,
Getting it?
ma'am.
Okay, again I am writing first term is A, next term is A plus D, next term is A plus 2D, next term is A plus 3D. How we got this structure? By observation we got. Okay, we have taken one example of AP. One was there, 3 was there, 5 was there, 7 was there, and we realized that every time D is getting added. Hence, we generated this formula and we realized that mathematicians has given the same formula. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now again we are trying to just see, okay, and we are trying to understand and take out something else from the formula. So we realize at first place no D is there. That means 0D is there. At second place, okay, what is multiplied with the D? 1. At third place, what is multiplied with the D? 2. At fourth place, what is multiplied with the D? 3. Okay, at fifth place, what is multiplied with the D? 4. So are you getting the pattern? That if I will ask you what will be, okay, what will be the 10th term, 10th place, so you will say one less D will be there. That means 9D will be there. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if I will ask you what about 22th term, 22th term, okay, 22nd term, so you will say it's fine, one less D will be there. According to the placement, one less D will be there. 22 minus 1, okay, is 21. So 21D will be there. Getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, if I will ask you what about 1000th place? Okay, so you will say it's fine, there will be one less D. That means A plus 1000 minus 1, 999, D will be there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, let's make a formula that whoever, okay, if you have to find, okay, for at nth place, at nth place, okay, 10th term, 10th place, 22nd place, okay, 1000th place. If that is clear, then let's take it for nth place. One less D will be there. That means n is just like a number. Okay, we are trying to create a formula over here. Okay, n is just like a number. The way, okay, the way you are telling for 10th, 22th and 1000, here also you have to just say n minus 1 D will be there. Are you getting, everyone? Afreen, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it is clear. Bharti, is it clear? Samya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Tara, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is again, okay, two things I have given you in one go because I was explaining and I felt that here only you will be able to understand the next concept also. So the first thing is when you know A is 2 and D is also 2, then we can create the AP. How? We will say the first term is A, next term is A plus D, next term is A plus 2D, next term is A plus 3D, and we will be able to write the terms. That is, first term is 2, next term is 2 plus 2, 4, next term is 2 plus 2 into 2. That is 4 plus 2, 6. Next term is 6. Check it. Next term, 2 plus 3 into 2. That means 6, 7, 8. Next term is 8. Can you see how easily we are creating the AP when A and D is given? Okay, Bharti, no worries. Can you see we are creating AP when A and D is known? And yes, it is
Yes,
in
ma'am.
AP, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, it is in AP. Here the first term is actually it is 2. And the common difference, yeah, actually it is 2. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move and let's solve questions from the exercise now. See, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term and the common difference is given. We understand the sequence really well. First term is A, next term is A plus D. Okay, next term. If you are thinking that with negative term, okay, if the common difference is negative, it will not work. Let me tell you, it will work. Even if your common difference is negative or your common difference is 0, still you will be able to use the same pattern. Okay, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Just you have to apply the integer chapter concept for doing the simplification. Okay, let's do the first one. Our first term is 10 and the common difference is 10. Okay, first 4 term you have to create. So A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. These are the first 4 terms, okay, according to our observation, and same formula has been given by our mathematicians as well. So the first term we are writing 10. Next term is 10 plus 10, 20. Next term is, you can do the calculation, okay. It will be just 10 plus 2 into 10, that means 20 plus 10, that is 30. Next term will be 40. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do number 2. Again, the first term is given and the common difference is 0. Okay, fine. We don't have to think about anything now. Okay, we know the formula. We'll be using the formula A plus D, A plus 2D, and A plus 3D. Okay, A is minus 2. If I will add 0 with minus 2, again it will be minus 2. If I will add, okay, 2 into 0, that we will add with minus 2, again it will be just minus 2, because Bodmer says first do the multiplication. Once you will do the multiplication, it will just be 0. 0 added with minus 2 is just minus 2. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, so you will keep on getting minus 2. And just now you have done, okay, checking what is A, what is D. Here, if you want to take a pause just to recheck, it is clearly visible. Yeah, our first term is minus 2. And yes, here common difference is 0. Okay, similarly for the next one. Okay, A is 4 and D is minus 3. So yeah, you have to do the simplification carefully. That's it. First term is A, that is 4. Next term is A plus D. I'm talking about number 3. Okay, next term is A plus D. Your A is 4, okay, plus your D is minus 3. If you will do this way, you will be getting just 1. Next one is A plus 2D. Okay, your A is 4. 2D, that means 2 times. Your D is minus 3. You will be getting 4 minus 6. That means minus 2. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first term is 4. Next term is 1. Next term is minus 2. You can check it. You can check it. You will be getting common difference as a minus 3 over here. Okay, we are not done. We have
Ma'am, ma'am, A plus 2D is equal to 4 plus 2 into 1, right? No, no, no. Minus 3. Okay, okay.
yeah, number 3. Yes. Okay. So yeah, wherever you are realizing that something calculation or anything, okay, it's not correct. It may be not correct. Okay. Even I am seeing all the question in one go. It can happen that, okay, I'm talking about 3 and writing the data from 4. It can happen. So if you are feeling something like that, please let me know as soon as possible. Okay. So yeah, this is how we'll be proceeding, and this is how we have to find the first 4 term of the given AP, which is really easy. Okay, so number 2 is clear to all of you. Till here, anyone having any doubt?
No.
Okay, in the next question, fractional terms are involved. So what you will be able to do the calculation. Okay, just carefully you have to do the simplification. Now I don't have to say that Bodmer says first do the multiplication. You should understand that Bodmer says first do the multiplication, and okay, anywhere if you will encounter addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, all okay in one go, then you have to apply Bodmer's always. Okay, so number 4, number 5 is having decimal numbers. So yeah, okay, carefully you have to do the simplification. Have you forgotten how to subtract decimal number, how to add decimal number? Are you able to recall? Everyone, do I need to show it to you that if you are adding two decimal number, you have to write decimal below decimal? If you want to add just 2 with 3.5, you have to write, okay, 3.5. Decimal below decimal 2 can be written as 2.0. Do you know these things, the basics?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how when we are doing the addition, subtraction of a decimal number, we always write decimal, below decimal. If you are having a whole number, write it in the form of decimal number. How? 52 can be written as 52.0 or maybe 52.00. Okay, I can just give the point and I can write so many zeros, whatever required. So number 2, number 3, number 4, we are done. Once we will cover this number 1, then we are done with this exercise. Let's cover it. Here a situation is given and you have to identify whether this is in AP or not. A situation is given to you and you have to say whether it is in AP or not. Let's read the situation. See, pair of linear equation, quadratic equation, so many word problems you have solved. So this is okay, this is just like that only. Let's read it. The taxi fare after each kilometer. We have to say that the taxi fare, let's read the instruction first. In which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an AP? Okay, in which situation list of number will create an AP? Okay, let's try understanding the situation. The first one says that the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. See, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer, that means your first term is given to you. First term of the AP is given to you is 15. In terms of rupee, it can be. Okay, our terms can be anything. It can be kilometer, it can be distances, it can be amounts, it can be anything. Okay, so it can be today I have written 2 pages, so first is 2. Tomorrow I will write 4 pages. Day after that I will try completing 6 pages of my work. So this is okay. AP number can represent anything. It can represent amount. It can represent anything. Here it says when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. So we have written 15 as a first term. And rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. That means first, for the first kilometer this much. For the second kilometer it will be 8 added with this one. Yes or no? Rupees 8 added for each additional kilometer. At first it is rupees 15 and then for each additional kilometer, okay, rupees 8 is getting it. So can we say the next, for the next second, for 2 kilometer it will be 15 plus 8, that is 23. For 3 kilometer it will be 23 plus again 8 added with the same. Everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
And of course this is in AP. Okay, the moment we have started the discussion of this chapter, arithmetic progression, okay, we have started the discussion from here that it is such a sequence where same number will keep on getting added, okay, with the previous one, or same number subtracted every time. So of course this is in AP. We don't even have to check the common difference and all. Do we have to check the common difference? If you want to check, you can check it. Here the differences will be same. Getting it, everyone?
Yes.
Is it clear the given situation is representing an AP? Let's do the next one. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump remove 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, we need to understand this situation really well. Okay, amount of air present in a cylinder. Suppose this is a cylinder. Okay, amount of air present in a cylinder. We have to check amount of air present in the cylinder, amount of air present in the cylinder, amount of air present in the cylinder, amount of air present in the cylinder. Is that creating an AP or not? Okay, amount of air present in the cylinder each time, is that creating an AP or not? when a vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. Okay, that means suppose I am giving you one example. Okay, you are having 100 cubic unit of air over here. Okay, and a vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air. Okay, at first you are having 100 unit, okay, cubic unit of air. Once you press the vacuum pump, 1/4 of the air removed. Once you press the vacuum pump, 1/4 of the air removed. 1/4 of what? 1/4 of what? Suppose I will say that, okay, that in a packet of chips, now it's 25% more. So 25% more of what? 25% more of
Some
what?
more of
Whatever
them.
was there previously, right?
Yes, ma'am.
25% more means 25% off. Okay, 25% off something has to be there. This off, this one has to be maybe the previous amount. Getting it?
Okay.
Only 25% is not making sense. Do you understand that percentage? We cannot write only percentage. It doesn't make sense if you are not saying 25% of total or 25% of the previous amount. Okay, then only, okay, we will be able to find how much extra we are having, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Says that once you are pumping, it will remove 1/4 OF off. Can you see this OF off?
Yes, ma'am.
It will remove 1/4 of remaining air. Okay, so first time you will press, it will remove, okay, 1/4 of remaining air. Already air we have taken for assumption 100. Okay, already 100 is there. So this much it will remove. This much it will remove. Removed air this will give you. Let's do the calculation. For 2 times 8, for 5 times 20. So 25 cubic unit removed air is there. That means now what will be the remaining air? See, the amount of air present, that is creating an AP or not, that we are checking. Here we are checking the amount of air present. Is that creating an AP or not? So now present, how much? What is the amount of air which is present? So 100 was there, 25 removed. That means now we are having 75 unit. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are having 75 unit. Again, I will do the same thing. What? Okay, once we will press again the pump, 1/4 of 75 will vanish. Again you will pump, 1/4 of 75 will vanish. Okay, so you have to check 1/4 of 75 is what. This is just the number I have taken just for example. We are getting 18.75. This much has been removed from 75, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me show you what will be the remaining. 75 minus 18.75.
50.
56.25. This is the remaining. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am. But in the question, it doesn't say a unit, like the any unit, like
It
how
has
much air
only
is present in the cylinder
number.
or something.
Yeah, question it as okay, no number is given over here. We are just taking the assumption that suppose 100 is there. You can also take X. You can also start with x. You can say that initially x, okay, x cubic unit air is there. Okay, now once you will press, it will 1/4 of x will vanish. And what is remaining? So x minus 1/4 of x. That means 3/4 of x will remain. Getting it?
Ma'am, first you did and you got 75% left, right? So again, if you did, you should get 50%, right? Because it is taking one by the whole fourth, like the whole fourth
No,
of
no,
the.
1/4 of the remaining air it says. See, Inan?
Oh, yeah, okay.
It is written over here that every time you are pressing, it will remove 1/4 of the whole no. See, 1/4 of remaining.
So it will decrease and decrease and decrease.
Decrease and decrease and decrease. And we have to check whether it is an AP or not. So clearly we can see it is not an AP, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have just taken randomly the number 100, but are you able to see that